India has built the world's richest public data ecosystem. Every day, across 1.4 billion people, welfare registries, health systems, education, and transport networks generate data at a scale no other country can match. This is a national asset of extraordinary value, and in the age of AI, its value is multiplying. Decisions on credit, welfare, healthcare, and infrastructure will increasingly be made with the help of intelligent systems. These systems are only as powerful as the data they are trained on. For India to build AI that truly serves Indians, that data must be Indian, rooted in our geography, our economy, our diversity. The opportunity now is to unlock the full potential of India's public data for this new era. Today, much of this data sits in formats and timelines built for record keeping, not for real-time, machine-driven decision-making. Three frontiers define the next phase of work: freshness, granularity, and format. Freshness. Many administrative datasets were built for governance, but are not designed for AI systems. Modernizing these cycles means welfare, credit, and policy decisions can reflect current reality. Granularity. Most public data aggregates to the state level, but Mumbai, Delhi, and Bengaluru each represent distinct realities. Disaggregated data lets policy and AI respond with precision. Format. Valuable data is still published as PDFs and static spreadsheets. Releasing it in machine-readable, API-accessible formats is what allows AI to read, link, and act on it. The returns are significant. The private sector today invests heavily in proprietary surveys, satellite imagery, and mobile network signals. Indirect proxies for ground truth data India's administrative systems already hold. Replicating it privately costs 5 to 10 times what sharing it would. That gap shapes product design, credit quality, and market reach, particularly for India's MSMEs, where better data means better risk pricing and wider access to capital. India has done this before. The account aggregator framework, built on India's DPI, showed the world how to share data with consent, security, and scale. Applied to welfare, employment, and economic data, the same architecture becomes the foundation for AI-powered governance, inclusive finance, and citizen-centered service delivery. This is the next chapter of India's data story. AI-powered, data-ready.